Hey guys, we're here at Super Bikes Center, and I'm gonna go up a little closer and show the sign here so you can get an idea for the down payments and stuff here. Okay. And then we're gonna go inside. I hope you can hear me okay. All right. These are branded bikes here, guys. These are the Hondas, Kawasaki's. They're really some nice bikes in here. And there's a Honda right there, and another Honda right here, guys. It's a beautiful bike. And we're gonna get some prices here off the manager here, the owner. Okay. This is a Suzuki Raider, 6-speed. Okay. And we're back here with the manager. How you doing? You think you can show us some of the prices around here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we got no Chinese bikes here really, guys. It's all just mostly like Japanese, you know. And these bikes are really nice. So what would it cost for like a Honda like this here? I guess they're kind of busy. Oh, either you don't talking to a customer. We'll try to get somebody in a second. So it's 36 months at $3,419, guys. Deposit $1,500. Okay. And I guess you get some sort of rebate or something. It says rep 310, 312. Maybe I don't know what that means, but. Let's show you another motor here. This motor is pretty decent. A lot better with the Honda than buying the Chinese bikes here. Let's show you some. This is a big bike here, it looks like. Or maybe it's not. Maybe it just looks big. What's the cash prices on these, sir?
Yes, sir.
What's the, like for this one here, what's the cash price for that one for Suzuki?
Suzuki Raider 150. This is how much?
How much cash?
97,900, sir. 97,900.
97,900 for this one? Okay.
Yes,
And what's it cost for like this one here?
This is 6,900, sir.
66,900?
900.
Okay. What about like the bikes over here? What do these go for? Roughly. Something.
This is the Barako electric and Barako. This for use for
Electric side?
Yes, for tricycle transportation.
Okay. What do those go for about? How much?
57,500.
57,900. Same for this one here? The black one? That's a nice looking bike. So for the really high-end ones, you're talking around 100,000, right? For a good one.
A good one. First motor service
Yeah.
or for transportation.
For transportation.
That's below 100,000.
Below 100,000? Okay. That's not bad. So you get it for a lot below that, right? But if you're talking about like a 200 cc,
Yeah.
250 cc,
About 250, that's 100.
about 100,000 up? Okay. All right, guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, guys.